How to create a private server on Roblox. Hi everyone, this is Max. I hope you are doing well, so let's start without wasting time. First of all, open up your Roblox application. Now search for any game. Now for example, I will search Adopt Me. Now tap on the game. Now scroll down to the bottom. Now you will see servers. Tap on it. Here you will find an option to create a private server. Tap on it. Now name your server. Now tap on Buy Now. Now tap on Customize. Now here you can change your settings according to your need. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe our channel for more awesome content. Have a burning question or want to suggest a topic? Drop down a comment below. This is Max signing off until next time.